Hello and welcome. Today we're going to continue with box and whisker plots. Today we're going to learn about the IQR as well as the range, and we're going to be interpreting box plots as well. Let's begin with some vocabulary. And here we have two new words, beginning with the range. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest values. So basically you get the maximum and subtract it with the minimum. For the interquartile range, the abbreviation is IQR. Now this describes the difference of the middle 50% of the values. So basically your Q3 and your Q1, you're going to get the distance from those two values. Let's apply both of these concepts along with some review. So example 1, we have trunk space volume in cubic feet of SUVs. Here's the data. We have to find the 5-number summary and get the range and the IQR. First things first, let's rearrange this in order from least to greatest. Now that I have my data arranged from least to greatest, I can spot the minimum and I can spot the maximum. Let's go ahead and label that min and then max. The next thing I want to do here is to get the median. So I'm going to begin to shave off the edges. So let's begin by cutting out the 28 and the 77. Let's cut out 35.5 and 59. Let's keep doing this. And you see that in this scenario, we have two medians, 42 and 45. Now we can add these two together and divide by 2. Or we can eyeball this and say, well, the middle value should be around 43.5. But let's go ahead and do this. 42 plus 45 is 87. And if we divide that by 2, we're going to get 43.5. Yep. So that's going to be the median. So let's go ahead and cut this in half. And remember, when we have two medians, one of them goes to the left, one of them goes to the right. So here median is 43.5. Let's go ahead and find Q1. We're going to find Q1 by getting the median of the left hand side. And here I can tell that it's going to be 39. Right? These two values get cut off, and these two values get cut off as well. Here we can see that the Q3, the median of the upper half, is going to be 59. So I have Q1 and Q3. So we have our 5-number summary. Let's get the range. And to get the range, we're going to get the maximum and then subtract the minimum. So here we're going to get 77 minus 28, which is going to give us a total of 49. And then to get the IQR, the interquartile range, we're going to get Q3, which is 59, and subtract Q1, which is 39. So we have 59 minus 39, that gives us 20. And we have all of the information. So here, let's just organize it. So the minimum is 28. Q1 is 39. The median was 43.5. Q3 was 59. Maximum was 77. The range was 49. And the IQR was 20. And here we go. Now another thing we can do is to actually draw the box and whiskers plot. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. And here's a sketch of the box and whiskers plot. So I scaled my number line by tenths. And there you have it. So try the next set of examples, and then I'll see you back in the next video.